Mga ka-walk, welcome back sa Walk with Lan, hashtag Walk with Lan, when we stir up the truth in Philippine politics without the sugar coating. Ako si Lana, your bilingual buddy sa totohanan. Okay ha, talagang today, oh boy, it's a scorcher. Laglagan na o laglay na, laglag na. Kung gusto mo nyo ha, si Senador Ping Lacson, bakit dismayado ang kapwa senador, si Rodante Marcoleta, sa lihis na investigasyon ng Blue Ribbon Committee? Is this the end of Ping's straight path, fairy tale? Grab your chocolate and let's kwentuhan like old friends. This is couple of minutes of fire, facts, laughs, and that intellectual punch a la Deo Macalma. Hit like if you're ready to expose the circus. Hashtag walk with Lan. Okay picture this mga kaibigan. It's September 23, 2025. Senate Session Hall, tension thicker than Manila traffic. New Blue Ribbon Chairman, Chair Ping Lacson, calls order. Boom! Enter Rodante Marcoleta. Questioning your integrity, Mr. Chairman. Sabi niya, no? Lacson fires back. Why are you so protective of the Discayas? Okay, fellow senators, frozen cameras rolling. This isn't just drama. It's a masterclass in political hypocrisy. We will dissect it all. The flood control scandal worth billions, protected witnesses na parang VIPs, and why Marcoleta's the real hero here. Nako, Lacson, bias is louder than his alibis. Stay tuned, kawok. This kwentuhan will make you rethink your senators, mga kaibigan. Alright simpleng kwentuhan lang tayo Para bang nagkukwentuhan sa kanto with your barkada. Let's rewind to the flood control fiasco. Remember the 2024 monsoons Baha everywhere. Lives hose billions flashed down the drain. Literally the Blue Ribbon Committee or BRC steps in to probe the corruption. Shady contracts, ghost projects, at yung mga opisyal na mas mabilis magtago kaysa tubig. Under Senador Rodante Marcoleta, watch as chair, it was fair game. Thorough, methodical, no? Like a detective in a Pinoy noir film. Witnesses grilled equally, no favorites. Pero lo and behold, September 18, 2025, boom, no? Lacson takes over. Why Senate leadership shuffle? Daw pero wait, is this coincidence or conspiracy? Okay, Lacson, the straight path guy, right? Ex-cop, anti-corruption poster boy. Pero mga kawok, history repeats. Remember his Duterte days? Smooth operator, Now heading Blue Ribbon Chairman, no? He promises transparency. First hearing, suspended after 5 minutes. Bakit? Kasi Marcoleta called him out on a TV interview where Lacson already judged the witnesses, the Discaya couple. Protected under witness program. Bias alert. Okay, imagine niyo Lacson as the strict tita sa family reunion. Pero selective. Hindi ka ako protektahan. Ikaw lang, no? Yan. Okay, per Rappler reports, Lacson said on TV, the Discayas are key but questionable. Pre-judging match. Marcoleta, ever the gentleman fighter, says this undermines the probe's integrity. Boom! Mic drop. Okay, now the meat, that September 23, heated exchange doesn't cut it. It was a verbal cage match, no? Mr. Chairman, your comments prejudge the proceedings. How can we trust a biased probe, no? Bakit ka protective ng Discayas? May connection ba? Ouch, fellow senators. Dead silent, Dismayado na parang nanood ng bad teleserye. Okay, this isn't personal, mga kaibigan. It's systemic. Lacson's bias, no? ABS-CBN reports he suspended the hearing to cool down, but really to dodge questions. Marcoleta's point, spot on. And the rules, chairs must be impartial. Lacson na is protecting allies in the flood mess. Hindi nga nababanggit yung mga no, yung mga talaga sa House of Representatives. Bakit ganun, no? Bakit nila prinoprotektahan yung mga pangalan sa House of Representatives? Ay ngayon nung ipapatawag na si Ko at si Romualdez, biglang suspended ang hearing nila, no? At saka tanda yung mga minority senators, yun talagang inaano nila, Escudero, Villanueva, sino pa? Jinggoy Estrada, panay minority yun eh. Bakit hindi nabanggit yung mga Gatchalian, si Grispo, si Hontiveros? Lintek, meron din pala silang mga insertions. Okay, yan ha? O Ping, you're like the GPS na laging nagre-reroute sa shortcut. Pero shortcut to corruption cover up, no? Okay, Marcoleta on the other hand, the underdog hero, former chair, now resources speaker, fighting for due process. Why favor him? Because he's the one saying, let's hear all sides. Na cherry picking like Lacson, mga kaibigan. Okay, imagine you are young engineer in that flood project. Your career on the line. Would you trust a bias probe? No way. This affects us all. Higher taxes for batch infra, youth jobs, loss in corruption, quagmire. Okay, mga kaibigan, no? Talagang marami po tayo talagang dapat pag-usapan. See, Lacson's straight path is more like a zigzag to favoritism. If Lacson were a K-drama lead, he'd be the contrabida twist. I was fighting crime for my friends. Okay, no cover up from Marcoleta. He's the whistleblower type. Why criticize Ping? Because heroes fall when we idolize them blindly. Okay, favor Marcoleta naman tayo. He's the intellectual warrior, quoting Senate rules like Bible verses. Galing. Galing talaga, no? In politics, bias isn't just error. It's erosion of democracy. For you, Gen Z, Alpha, this is your future voting booth, mga kaibigan. Okay, shout out to the real MVP, Senador Rodante Marcoleta. Not the flashy type, but the steady hand. Remember his 2024 probes? Exposed ghost flooding projects worth 10 billion pesos. No drama, just results. Now, facing Lacson's takeover, he doesn't back down. Away kagad tayo. He quips, but it's witty defense of justice. Okay, why favor him, He's for the people. In that clash, Marcoleta said, the committee's integrity is at stake. Boom, no? Intellectual gold for youth like you, Kawok. Marcoleta's like that prof who grades fair, not the one who plays favorites. Okay, picture a young intern in his office learning ethics over adobo. That's the vibe he brings to Senate. Lacsons versus Marcoleta, it's like Batman, Marcoleta brooding justice versus a cop with a badge with binders. Who wins? The one without the plot armor. The clash inside Senate's power plays. But heroes like Marcoleta remind us, one voice can redirect the narrative. If you're 18 to 25, interning or voting soon, support fighters like him. DM me your stories, mga kaibigan. Paano ito naapektuhan ang youth-focused homeland politics? Easy, flood scandals mean delayed infra. Your commute to UP or Ateneo, worse jobs in green projects is stolen by crooks. Lacson's bias, delays justice, keeps corruption cozy. Marcoleta's dismay, your cue to demand better. Like group project sa college, Lacson's the leader na nag-a-assign ng easy part sa barkada niya. Marcoleta, the one saying, fair division, guys. Philippine politics is our national telenovela. So, twists, betrayals, but we write the ending, mga kaibigan. Okay, Lan, no? May Q&A po tayo. Galing po sa Twitter, no? Lacson, Lan, is Lacson's done? No, maybe not, but his credibility wash away like flood waters, mga kaibigan. Yan ang kasagutan ni #WalkWithLan. Okay, Lesson 1, bias kills probe faster than monsoons. Number 2, heroes wear suits, not capes. Number 3, youth, your likes and shares, ammo in this fight. If Senate were WWE, Marcoleta pins Lacson with integrity slam. Thanks for the couple of minutes, Kawok. This kwentuhan, just the start, mga kaibigan. Mga kababayan, sa gitna ng kasinungalingan, ang katotohanan ang unang dinudurog. Pero kasama kayo, mga ka-walk, kaya nating itindig ang tama. Sumali na sa aking YouTube channel membership. Sama-sama, panatilihin nating malaya at walang takot ang boses natin para sa bayan. Salamat sa inyong solid na suporta. Mag-subscribe na sa #WalkWithLan YouTube channel membership at maging bahagi ng ating masiglang laban. #laban para sa katotohanan. Like, share, comment. Team Marcoleta, see you next walk. Peace out and mabuhay ang Pilipinas.